Hey, what's up? What's up? Just got home from the gym, and on my way home, I had some thoughts rattling around in my brain, and I want to share them with you. Actually, it's just a simple message, and the simple message is you are one step away from making a significant change in your life. Now, this seems to be a residual conversation as of late with me, with my clients, my friends, and this week it's really kind of revolved around the challenges of eating, which completely makes sense because it's summer, and summer kind of creates some dysfunction in our psyche sometimes, if you let it, and I totally get it. Dieting could be difficult, but difficult does not mean impossible. Diet does not mean deprivation, and giving your best does not mean perfection, because I've always believed and discussed that we strive for progress, not perfection. But the reality is that even one small change can have a significant impact that can cause a dramatic, life-changing ripple effect. And you don't have to continue tolerating any situation if you're not satisfied with where you stand, no matter what season it is. Doesn't matter if it's summer or if it's fall, winter. But again, as I mentioned yesterday in my Monday Minute, you have much more control than you think you do, and one small, consistent decision at a time. So please, I'm sharing this with you so that you can understand that eating more nutritiously is not complicated. And I'm on a mission to promote healthier lifestyles. I've been screaming this for 20 years. It's crazy. But one decision separates you from where you are to and from where you deserve to be. One decision consistently. So make that one decision today. And I don't care if it's limiting your sugar intake, if it's avoiding processed and refined foods, or committing to drinking an adequate amount of water every single day. But honestly, the choice is yours. Whatever you decide, make it a day, make today a day worth repeating. Let's get this.